Hi, it's Heather. I wanted to show you a little bit of what's going on in my garden in spring. And I wanted to show you this because I think we're going to get some frost. Um, it happens. We did get just a titch warm for this time of year, and everything really woke up. But, this happens sometimes too. But, you know, April and the beginning of May, we can often see uh, frosts and sometimes freezes, and that's kind of a drag. Um, so, so I'd talk a little bit about a few things we can do. Um, if you've been gardening for a while, um, you've probably got your sheets ready. So, when there's a chance of frost, you can get out and um, get some sheets over your sensitive plants. And when I'm saying sensitive too, by now, if you've noticed your plant having a cold injury, and honestly, what I've been seeing cold injury on this year is evergreens. There's a few Japanese maples that had some uh, cold damage, but mostly this year I've seen it on evergreens. So I would cover plants that had that. Obviously, I have my sheets for my Japanese maples. Um, but I was just sitting here thinking, what am I going to do for all the cool little flowering perennials? And I just realized, like, oh, yeah, since you mulch with leaves, you can kind of bring those leaves up over the plants. So, I think that's what I'll be doing. Because, man, everything is like so cute right now. Yes, my garden's super messy. I really haven't had a chance to get out here uh, and do anything when I've been feeling decent. Um, but I do spend a lot of time telling things that they look great. But that is, kind of one of the things about having a garden. Like I always feel like gardeners are the people that take care of things. And so, yeah, sometimes there's some little extra chores that we need to do. But, protecting some plants is really important because there are going to be pollinators and birds and squirrels and stuff that depend on having these plants later in the season. So we want to do that. So, and also, kind of, in a worst case scenario, um, another thing that we can do, especially for trees, um, if it's going to be freezing, it's not very pleasant. I've done it before. We can go out and um, spray our plants with water before the freeze happens or the frost. So in that case, ice can be nicely protective. It's actually what we're doing is protecting against sun damage. So when we get a frost or a freeze, it's that sun hitting it is what gives us the damage. So anyway, round up your sheets. Make sure your spray nozzles work if you got to do that. If you've got leaf piles and you have perennials happening, maybe get those ready to just throw out over your plants and give them a little protection. So anyway, until the next one. Bye.